Let me introduce first about the Turtle library. Turtle is a module in Python that allows us to bring shapes, figures, and designs to life on a screen. In this video, you will learn to do the graphics design with Python. Step 1. Importing Turtle library to draw Happy Birthday. Step 2. Creating our turtle cursor to draw. Step 3. Creating a separate canvas to draw Happy Birthday. Step 4. Initializing a variable for coordinating. Step 5. Creating a function to draw a circle on top of stick. Step 6. Changing color of our cursor and changing fill color of the cursor. Step 7. Drawing the first side of our candle and drawing the second side of our candle. Step 8. Drawing the third side of our candle and drawing the fourth side of our candle. Step 9. Creating a function to draw stick on the candle. Step 10. Changing color of our cursor and changing fill color of the cursor. Step 11. Function to draw topping of our cake. Step 12. Changing color of our cursor and changing color of our cursor. Step 13. Drawing a circle using circle function. Step 14. Creating a function to draw different layers of a cake. Changing color of our cursor. Changing fill color of the cursor. Starting the cursor to fill color. Step 15. Changing the background color of our canvas. Step 16. Creating an empty list of different parts of our cake. Step 17. Drawing in plate for our cake using draw layer of the cake function. Step 18. Drawing different parts of our cake. Step 19. Drawing top topping of our cake. Step 20. Drawing middle topping of our cakes. Step 21. Drawing candle on of our cake using draw candle for cake function. Step 22. Drawing stick on top candle. Step 23. Drawing a stick for writing happy birthday.
Let's run this code. After that it's showing happy birthday.